Time back you told actually about a dual experience.
Yes.
So can you please, I request you to just give something about this dual experience again.
See, dual is all about doing state, being state. Between the doing and being, there is a state which is called happening state. Let us explain about this happening and that being. What is happening? You wanted something and then you take the support of, you know that what you want is not within my limitations. There is something beyond me which is responsible for whatever I am. If I can just do everything what I need, all the desires will be fulfilled. Human is not capable of fulfilling all his desires, and then his experience will teach him there is something beyond me which is responsible for all that which is happening in me. You see this? There it is called dual state because there is a need for you and you wanted it, and then everything is happening gracefully. This is called happening state. On your experience, you know that it is happening. It is not that I am doing. This need is happening so gracefully, more than I expect it is happening. See that? More than my need, it is happening. Overwhelmed. Their desire is being fulfilled by the beyond. Understand? Their desire is being fulfilled by the beyond. They are not doing, they have not achieved, it has happened. So, this state of mind is called the dual state of mind. You have a thinking as well as you have the experience. Both is there. You are there and something else is there. Desire is being fulfilled by the beyond. What is the next one? Which is called the being state. The being state of mind. In the being state of mind, there is no desire. Understand? It is fulfilled. Once you are fulfilled, there is no need. It is complete in its experience. Though it is complete in its experience, it is not desiring for anything. It is just being. Being is an experience. The mind is dead. It is just only being. Though it is being means completely in experience. Understand? It is completely in experience. The experience is happening where? In you. And what you are experiencing itself. Understand? You are experiencing itself in you, and what is that expressing? That itself is expressing from you.